Hey guys, I'm Annalie, and these are my two Dogo Argentinos, Dahja and Diego. We are on a mission to travel the US, but after some setbacks on our truck camper life adventure, we have found ourselves in Hollywood, California to recoup and prepare for future travels. On today's episode, we visit the Animal Dermatology Center in Studio City to get Dahja and Diego's skin allergy test, where I take you through the process of our day and briefly go over the results and costs of the procedures.
Hi, Bubba. Hi, Bubba.
Yeah. Got your stitches. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, buddy. How did your allergy test go? We want to know. How did it go? How did it go? How did it go? Come on, baby. Come on, Diego. Are we gonna go get your sister? Yeah, did your sister get her test done too? Yeah. Let's go check on her. Let's go check on her, huh? Huh, big boy? Yeah, buddy. We miss her. We miss her so much. Where's your sister? Oh, big boy. You're such a good boy. How's your allergies doing? Huh? How's your hives doing? Good boy. Oh, jeez. Poor Tang. Poor Tang. Oh, I know. Big boy.
Yeah. We gotta wait. We gotta go get your sister, okay? Can you wait in the back? I'll come back with her in just a second. Okay? Let me go get her. Let me go get her. Okay? Can you go in the back, please? The back seat. Back seat. Come on, back seat.
Good boy. Back seat. Come on.
Continue with your Atopica daily. Go ahead and continue with
Continue to bathe twice a week with a shampoo and conditioner. Cytokine injections can be given if needed.
it does come up to 166.80. This here, the back portion is your blood test results. The skin test results.
I don't need that now.
Okay, this is telling you what the skin is allergic to, but there's not much that we can do yet until we get the blood test results. When we get the blood test results, he's gonna compare the blood and the skin, pinpoint what they are most allergic to, and then start you on immuno. Control factor is 0 to 4. 0 showing no result whatsoever, 4 showing very high results. Okay.
And is that what the
That's the
saline
control and the saline.
What's his
But
that?
if
What's his control?
it's to see the amount of allergy. Okay. We do test for 75 environmental things, but in the blood it's a little bit different. Okay. If she would have came out positive in this department here, then this is stuff that we can remove in your environment and problem solve. Okay. Other than that, it's an environmental allergy.
So these are things that I can try to work on to reduce exposure to?
No.
Oh.
This is things that we could remove from our environment and problem solve. But if there's positives and anything else, it's a pollen allergy. It's the air that they breathe.
I see.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. There she is. There's my girl. Good girl, baby.
All right.
Thank you so much. All right. So I'll just hear from you guys in a week. Oh, goodness. Okay. Oh, baby. Okay. I miss you, brother. Thank you. Bye, guys. Okay, Princessa. Oh, baby. Oh, girl. Wait, here. I know. Oh, I bet you miss your brother, huh? Let me see those allergies. How'd you do? How'd your test do? Oh, let's see. Oh, she's a good girl. Oh, wow. It's so scary. Oh, no, I know it's a lot. It was a lot. Oh, baby. Honey bunny. Ow.
Okay, okay. I know I missed you. Oh, your brother missed you too. Yes, baby. Ready? Ready? Stay, Diego. Good boy, good girl. Okay. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. Diego, up. Good boy, up. Dahja, up. Dahja, up. Dahja. Diego. There you go. Good boy, good boy. Good boy, come on. Good boy, Diego. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Good girl. Good girl. Good boy. Good boy, good girl. Good job, guys. Good job.
Hi guys, so today we just got their skin allergy test done. I just picked them up. I brought them in individually because I don't like them being in the back by themselves or in kennels. So Diego got his skin mass removed from the injection site reaction from the rattlesnake vaccines. So he's got a couple stitches, and then there's Dahja's allergy test right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the results back in about a week, and we can sort of, I think they can concoct some type of serum to better build an immunity to these. Most likely they're environmental allergens, so that's what she was telling me in the paperwork. It was like, for the two of them, it ended up being $1,668.68. Diego's was $1,036 and Dahja's was $630, so it was an extra like $400 to remove the mass. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't go back. I know sometimes that they do that, they grow back after you get them removed. But yeah, I'm gonna get them home so they can eat, because they haven't been able to eat yet today, and get some rest. Hopefully we get the results soon, and we're on our way to being healthier and happier and on some adventures. Hello, so we're back at home. The babies are tired. I think the allergy test kind of took it out of them. Some recovery time and snuggle time.